Hello, I'm Dr. Nadine Hamada. I'm an international faculty member of the American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. And today we have finished Level 1 training in aesthetic medicine with AAAM. We have the privilege to train over 40 doctors from different parts of the world and share our experience in the basics of skin conditioning and chemical peelings, the basics of lasers and light-based devices, and the basics of botulinum toxin injection and fillers injection. The 40 doctors were so happy to have our experience shared with them and to have good hands-on trainings on all of these fields. Come and join us to get good hand experience and good theory knowledge to be able to perform well in your aesthetic career. Waiting for all of you to come and